Do you want to fix faulting application name errors in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the errors. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. You may have noticed in your event ID 1000 in the event viewer that there is a faulty application. In this video, we are going to determine if an application is faulting. Let's get started. Preliminary step. Open the event viewer using Windows Search. In the left pane, navigate to the log category you want to check, like Application or System. Click on Filter Current Log in the Actions pane. In the filter window, enter 1000 in the event IDs field. Click OK. Now go to the next methods. Method 1. Faulting application name w3wp.exe. The w3wp.exe process handles web requests for applications running on your server. This issue is nothing but a bug that is caused by Microsoft Monitoring Agent, which is installed on your system. Go to Control Panel and then select Programs and Features, and then uninstall the application. If you want it back, you can go to your Azure portal and install it from there. Method 2. Faulting application name dwm.exe. If your event viewer's log says that dwm.exe is the faulting application, you should first update your display drivers. For that, you can go to the manufacturer's website, download and update your driver. Next, you can update your drivers from the device manager. Then download one of the free driver update tools, then install it on your computer to keep your drivers updated. You can follow this guide. Once you have updated your drivers, check if the issue is resolved. If it persists, roll back your display drivers. If the issue persists, open the command prompt as an administrator and then run these commands one by one. You will get the commands in the description below. Once done, check if the issue is resolved. Method 3. Faulting application name msiexec.exe. The msiexec.exe process is related to Windows installer. If you are facing any issues such as Windows Update error, you can try unregistering and re-registering this process using these commands. If you are not experiencing any issues, you can ignore it. If there is an issue, repair system files using the installation media following this link. Method 4. Faulting application name svchost.exe _ appx_svc. The svchost.exe _ appx_svc process is related to the appx deployment service. Crashing this process causes issues with app installations or updates. If you have an issue installing apps or updates, perform a clean boot following this link. Method 5. Faulting application name explorer.exe. To fix it, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open the task manager and find Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click on it and select the Restart option. Furthermore, ensure that the graphics drivers are up to date. For more working solutions and details, follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.